Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are Wildflower's watercolor collections. This is t-shirt print. The downloading in this description. You can easily download from here, and here these are elements. You can see these are PNG format, high quality PNG images, and here also elements. You can see these are dragonfly, I hope so, and butterflies, bee, ladybird, and other. And these are wreaths. You can see these are also in PNG format, and here these are ambient borders again in PNG format, and banquets, you can see they are also in PNG format. So you can see you can use them in your creativity. You can design your own t-shirt with the help of these elements, and these are composition. You can see these are also PNG. Every format is PNG and alphabet. You can show them your creativity with the help of this. You can use them in your design, and these are free to download from my website. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.